na develop your interest ya kunskin some rappers alive. June interesting hapa no resting, epuka wa culture vultures wana sneak this, jina yangu imekuwa balaku mention, see wapi features what are in my songs, ruin your own. What the fuck, it's being inspired, bro, nimerize on my own, idolizing some people who I'm better than, I don't do that. Props napatia viketi wengine wakati wamepitwa na wakati, ni cheap products zilingianga tu kwa market, kila mtu aka afford it, and if you happen to diss me, toa something catching to capture attention. Stop wasting diss tracks, can you weak lyrical as reply, hazina replay value, full of shit, predictive punches with some crazy pushing, do numbers, itambui streams. Nikianza kuattack unadai pee straight, umesmoke nini? Drop the mic and leave, be ready for the smoke, umesmoke nini? Chasing for the bag, bidini ya cash na washaka bed bag. Chasing for the bag, bidini ya cash na washaka bed bag. Nikianza kuattack unadai pee straight, umesmoke nini? Drop the mic